friends on the local music scene. This EP features acts such as Vanessa Muddy, Amy Chalmers, Helen Meyer, John Lawn and Dennis Parkinson. The track I'm going to play for you tonight is on this said EP. It's called Soldier Boy. It's featuring Vanessa Muddy. Really nice tune this. I think John and Vanessa are a good combination musically. Both the artists share the same kind of feel and creativity and flair. This is a lovely tune and a really great production as always. Some lovely strings going on, nice bit of guitar, a little bit of piano here and there. No dramatics, it's just a good old-fashioned ballad. As I say, with John, the production's always superb, and how he gets it out there and how he plugs it, he does very well indeed. This is John Jenkins and the Loving Kind featuring Vanessa Muddy. Here's Soldier Boy.
So long ago, through the mist of time and days of old, a young girl once had a dream to marry her sweetheart when she was 17. Was a grenadier with his red coat and musket. She loved him dear, but Napoleon had other plans, and off to war went her man. She wore her mother's wedding coat with ribbons in her hair, waited patiently for a soldier boy who said, please love me for who I am. And strong, and a soldier boy fought bravely on. News soon reached their ears that the war had been won, and he'd soon return. She wore her mother's wedding coat with ribbons in her hair, waited patiently for a soldier boy who said, please love me for who I am. Did return, battle wounded, he lasted less than a year. On the banks of the river, she was seen, a life of loneliness is not for me. in a hand lies silently next to a soldier boy. Love me for who I am. Love me for who I am. Love me for who I am.
Absolutely lovely tune there. That was John Jenkins featuring Vanessa Muddy, Soldier Boy. Up next, guys, we have an act called, I hope they're called, I hope I get this right, guys, the Brokes. I hope I pronounced that right for you. Brokes' multi-genre style is unique and infectious, and it's earned them a growing cult following from all around the northwest. The latest EP, Primordial Moonshine, has attracted airtime and live sessions from BBC Introduction, All FM, and countless of other independent radio stations. And the live show is one not to be missed. It's honest, it's poetic, and it's interesting. The track I'm going to play for you tonight, guys, is called Noise. And in fairness, it's a rather nice noise. It's very different, and I agree it's very hard to put the genre into any set box. Reminds me a touch of a band in the 90s called Stupid Girl. Sorry, not Stupid Girl, they were called Garbage. The song was called Stupid Girl. Stupid man. Anyway, simple but effective vocal with nice lyrics, and there's a message to this as well. Getting into blues in this, little touch of punk. As I say, very hard to put into a box genre-wise. It's all pretty good stuff, guys. This is The Brokes with Noise. And don't forget, if you like anything you're listening to on our show tonight, do get on our Facebook page, track it down, give it a listen, give it a share, and tell your mates.
Wanna steal from the young ones.
unsigned and original music on Roundtown Radio. Showcasing the best of the best acts throughout Liverpool and the Northwest.
When you're desperate to live on,
I'm left out. I will never be a rock star.
Roundtown original and unsigned music every Sunday 8 p.m. till 10 p.m. I'm sure we're all agreed that was a bit of a tunage. Up next we have Gemstone Heist. These guys are from Liverpool and the USA. The genre is indie. Gail and Ashley, one of the very first acts we played on this show. These guys, they've watched it go strength from strength. Me when we first started this show, it was so very flat and so very basic. And they were with me. They went the battle with me. Went into the battle with me. Yeah. So always nice to play these guys' tracks. Always good. The track that they've sent over to me is called The Bluebell. They write songs that are very sort of story based, and I think they're probably based on true events within their lives. Lovely vocal from Ashley. I really like Ashley's voice. They've come a long way developing their own style. Going from strength to strength, girls. Keep it up. As the show grows, yous are growing. Absolutely top, girls. This is Gemstone Heist, The Bluebell.
Talking to a Shropshire lass and working in Beecham's glass, pale against the northern light. Would you hold my hand just for tonight? She died in her 50s, in the 60s, alone, 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 waiting on him to come home, drinking in the Bluebell, one more night of raising hell. Settled in this dirty town, no friends here, lost and found. Did you know it's always there? I'm wondering if you ever got out. She died in her 50s, in the 60s, alone, 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 waiting on him to come home, drinking in the blue